Listen, it's only 3 softwares that you should be paying for in your cleaning business. 1, you need an accounting software. 2, you need a sales software. And 3, most importantly, can't do nothing without it, you need a operations software. And we're going to go over all 3 of them in this video right now. Pay attention, okay? Let's start off with operations.
Oh, that's a good one.
Now, for operations, it is only 3 softwares that I highly recommend you guys check out, okay? Number 1 is the Boss app. Cleaning Boss app is made by my homeboy DJ the Boss, so I want to support him on this. Okay, I'm so proud of him. He came up with this app and it's really cool and very affordable. It's only about $45 a month. Okay, I am not an affiliate. There is no affiliate links down below. I truly support all 3 of these apps that I'm naming. Okay, so my Cleaning Boss app, check that out for your operations. It will help you schedule your cleaners out. It will also help you keep up with your time management. It has a GPS on it.
Another cool thing about the app is, you know, we all have an issue with, you know, your workers trying to clock in and before they even get to the site, or clock out after they done left. Oh, boo. Guess what? You can set provisions and you can stop that, baby, within this app, okay?
Dang, go DJ the Boss.
Okay.
Now, the second app that I highly recommend is the Route app, okay? And this Route app is created by my other friend, Ricky Regalado. All right, so on this app right here, man, this app is actually a beast.
So just one thing that I completely like about Route is the fact that y'all know y'all always having troubles with pricing and stuff like that, but you don't have to use outside softwares trying to use e-signature. It's built on the inside. No more using DocuSign, no more using, what is it called? Sign request. It's already built inside, y'all.
So imagine going and doing your walkthrough, taking pictures and sending everything over to your office, and now whoever's in your office can just go ahead and put the proposal together, and everything is all on one platform. And you also have the service agreement in the app as well. You can send that service agreement over, get the e-signature, and boom, you in there like swimwear.
Y'all don't even have to be at the location. Like, of course you can put the details in, but it even saves. So let's just say if you go to like a commercial account, go to a warehouse, right, and it has like a default like service agreement that's already there, right? But if you actually put in the scope of work, put in everything, it actually saves into the system. So if you actually put in some more information, send it to that, it pops it up. Like, y'all
check out Route, you guys. It's getroute.com. Check it out, okay? Not only will it help you with your bidding, but it will help you out with your operations as well. They also have a community inside of the app as well. So definitely check it out. And last but not least, the third one I have to say is Connect Team. Okay, I love Connect Team. Check it out. It will help you out with scheduling your cleaners out, creating courses, putting courses in there, recognizing your cleaners like on their birthdays and holidays, you know. What else would it do? Checklist, all of the above. But all of these apps will help you out with your operations. You just need to find the one that works best for you. Okay. So let's move right along. Move on to sales. You need a sales software. Okay. And the only sales software right now that I feel like personally is killing the game
right now
is the Clean Biz Network CBN. I'm sorry. That CRM actually does everything all in one. Okay, when it comes to sales, you guys, this is the software that you need. It's the only CRM you need. Okay, because you can create websites on this CRM. It's a CRM, so you do your email marketing on there, create workflows. And I know some of you guys are like, girl, I don't even know what a workflow is. I don't know what none of this stuff is. But another good thing about this app is AJ has a support team out of this world.
And y'all know y'all been having issues with getting contact with customer service, but everything is on point.
So if you're struggling, you're having any issues, you feel overwhelmed, I know how it is. We're talking about all these apps, and I know how frustrating it can be, okay? Absolutely. I know. I'm not a techie person, you guys, okay? I have to get help. So I understand your frustration if you get frustrated, you know, you can't work something. But AJ also has a support team that will help you out along the way. But another great thing about this CRM is the pipeline. It will help you out with what stage each client is in, because as you grow as a cleaning business owner, you're not going to remember all these clients. Okay, so you're going to do a walkthrough today, and then it's going to go into a stage, and then you're going to get another phone call, and then that's going to go inside of a stage, and then you may win a bid, so it may move over to another stage. Once you've won the bid, the client moves over and moves over and moves over. Maybe the client was a no-show, so it'll move over to the no-show pipeline. But anyway, I don't want to get too technical with you guys, but that's another good thing that the software does is it will put your clients in a pipeline, and you can follow up and keep up with each stage that the client is in. Okay.
Right. So you ain't got to wing none of this stuff. Okay.
Right.
Stop trying to use your brain. Use some software, y'all. They even have templates in there for you too. So anything that you need, it's like a one-stop shop. Like seriously, one-stop shop. And he even has a bidding calculator in there for you. Like, yo.
That's Calculated Clean. So he also has Calculated Clean as well. If you guys are struggling with trying to bid on things and you're always asking prices and stuff like that, hey, use Calculated Clean, especially for them post-construction cleans. A lot of people say, what should I bid? Like, literally the app will tell you what to bid on. It'll give you a good estimate, okay, of how you need to bid on a certain account. But I highly recommend that you use it. All right, so that is the sales. If that's the only software that you need for sales. Last but not least,
we have accounting, because y'all got to keep up with y'all money. Okay, you need a software to keep up with your money so you can know what's coming in and what's going out. And our recommendations, we got QuickBooks that's out here. It's very, very affordable.
QuickBooks is number one.
It tells you everything that you need. Okay, even when it comes time for you to do your taxes, it's like a click of a button. You can send over to your CPA, bookkeeper. It's very, very affordable.
Yes.
Then you have Wave. Okay, that's very affordable too. That's something that we use. Right?
Yeah. So you can use. We would use Wave in the beginning,
but
process.
not no more. But.
Yeah, but when you want to move up in the game, go ahead and use QuickBooks. Okay, I like QuickBooks because QuickBooks, it will do everything for you, is including. I always need help with bookkeeping. You can get a bookkeeper off of QuickBooks, okay? Right. And they also just started assigning us someone to help us out, like
like if you're having any trouble with your account, and let's just say you don't know how to do something, so they were getting a lot of complaints, so now they started this new feature. Y'all, we even have like a personal assistant for the account now. So
that's the dope part that I like about QuickBooks. They are always enhancing their software, okay? Right. But other than that, you also will need a communication software, but you can get that completely free. Just use Slack. That's what we use for communication, Slack.
Oh,
that's the only thing you need.
Y'all, it's such completely beneficial,
free, and it's very user friendly. All of these apps that I'm talking about are very, very, very user friendly. And if you find yourself struggling on any of these apps, customer service, all right, have them walk you on through what you got to do, okay? Right. But those are the apps that you need for your cleaning business, okay? You need a really good sales app. You need a really good operations app, and you need a accounting software app.
Seriously, you need to just think about everything that you need to run a successful cleaning business, a profitable cleaning business. You want to have a software that you're able to manage your business. As far as when the customers come in, they're able to have a great experience. You know, when you got to have control of the money, scheduling, everything. Right. Then it goes to, your sales. How are they going to get their invoice, right? What type of system do you have that's going to alert you if somebody, didn't pay? If they did pay. You know what I mean? It's just a lot. Like, what software can you use to keep up with your peoples? You understand? Your VIPs. You understand? Because they're out there doing the work for you. And then you got to keep up with your monies. Because without your monies, your company ain't crap. You hear me? It's not even going to breathe. It's not. It's going to be dead. Okay? Like,
yes, that is it. Those are the only 3 softwares that I highly recommend you get. That's all you need for your cleaning business. Find you a good software. Those are our recommendations. Those are softwares that we use right now or we have used in the past and wouldn't use nothing else but these softwares. All right? Until next time, you guys, we out of here.